In a grand display of faith and harmony, thousands of devotees from across the country gathered in Karnataka's Kalaburugi for the annual Saint Sharan Basaveshwar temple Rathotsav. The festival marking the 203rd death anniversary of 18th century Saint Sharan Basaveshwar saw the temple chariot being pulled through the streets with devotion by different communities. The event highlighted unity and spiritual devotion, bringing people together in observing the death anniversary.
A city known for its rich cultural heritage recently witnessed a grand display of devotion and unity as thousands of devotees gathered for the annual Sharan Basaveshwar Jatra. The festival marked the 203rd death anniversary of Saint Sharan Basaveshwar, revered for his teachings on social equality and compassion transcending caste and religion barriers. The temple car festival of Sri Sharan Basaveshwar pulled people from all walks of life, cutting across religious and social barriers into the celebration of harmony and brotherhood.
This year it was 203rd Jatra Mahotsav. Every year Jatra Mahotsav starts on the Dulandi, which will be for 5 days, and on the third day this year Lakshadipotsava has been taken place with lakhs of devotees gathered here. And especially in this Rathotsava, many people come to take the blessings of Lord Sharan Basaveshwar. Not only many people, but all the religion people come here to take the blessings of Lord Sharan Basaveshwar. So we can say that a brotherhood is been followed at this place.
As the Grand Rathotsav, the chariot procession moved through the streets of Kalaburugi, Muslims, Hindus, Sikhs and Christians stood side by side, offering prayers and providing humanitarian support to the devotees. The event ensured that people from all communities feel included, emphasizing the saint's message of universal brotherhood.
Our Appaji's vision was always one thing, that teaching and learning not only for the sake of livelihood but also for the sake of welfare of others. Knowing the philosophy of Dasoha, meaning service to humanity is service to God. Appaji always said that there is no religion greater than service. So service to humanity is service to God. All of us have gathered together in a likely brotherhood and took the blessings of Lord Sri Sharan Basaveshwar.
At a time when differences are often highlighted, the Sharan Basaveshwar Jatra stands as a beacon of unity, reminding everyone that faith and devotion can bridge divides and bring communities closer together.